All right, 10th grade U.S. history students, here's what we got for Wednesday, May 27th. First, complete the May 27th due now assignment. And then second, and this is an assignment that's really interesting because it's mostly videos of Martin Luther King, of Malcolm X. There's one about with John F. Kennedy talking about civil rights and the importance of the civil rights movement. And then another from Bobby Kennedy. Bobby Kennedy was the likely president in 1968. And unfortunately, he was assassinated that summer while running for president. He was the primary candidate and thought to be the one who would win the 68 election when Martin Luther King was assassinated in April of 1968. So, in that same year, both Martin Luther King and the front runner for winning the presidency, Bobby Kennedy, were both assassinated. So it's a critical year, and there are some important questions worth considering related to civil rights and perhaps some opportunities that were lost because of those assassinations. So those are the two assignments. It's the MLK versus Malcolm X assignment, and that's due on Friday. And it's not just about Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, although obviously both of those individuals are worth learning about. Last thing I'll mention, there's plenty of extra credit available. We are in our second to last week. There will be nothing more assigned after Friday. So Friday, you'll see the last content, whether it's content or an assessment. I haven't quite decided yet, probably some form of an assessment, but that's it. All this coming week is dedicated for you guys to be able to make anything up or complete some extra credit or redo an assessment for you to get your grades up. That's it. So we are down the final stretch. I'm cheering for you guys. I'd love to give out an A to every single one of you, or at least a grade that you're comfortable with and you've earned. That's all I've got. Have a lovely day. See you soon.